Do you ever look at someone who is strong, muscular, and fit and wonder how they achieve that? It seems like they have it all together. But the truth is, anyone can become strong and develop impressive muscles. It does not require any special talent or gift. With hard work and dedication, you can achieve similar results. It just takes time, effort, and consistency. You might be wondering why some people do not believe that this is possible and think that some people are just born with better genetics. Well, there is no denying that genetics play a role in muscle growth and strength. But what really sets those genetically gifted individuals apart is their discipline, hard work, and consistency. They simply take their training and nutrition more seriously than others. So if you want to be like them, you need to follow their lead and commit yourself fully. Remember that Rome was not built in a day, and neither were those impressive muscles. It takes time and dedication, but the results are definitely worth the efforts. If you're ready to put in the work, then let us get started and transform your body from weak to strong. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the most informative and motivational videos on personal growth and self-improvement. Today we will be discussing 10 proven strategies for muscle growth and health. We understand that going from weak to strong can be a challenging journey, but with the right mindset and techniques, it is possible to achieve remarkable transformations. Our goal is to provide you with the tools and knowledge you need to unlock your full potential and live a healthier, stronger life. So grab a pen and paper and get ready to take notes. By the end of this video, you will have a clear roadmap to help you on your path to becoming strong and confident. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn something new. Let's dive in. Number 1. Lift heavy weights. This is the first step to gaining muscle mass. To stimulate muscle growth, you must lift heavy weights that are challenging for you, but don't overexert yourself. Start with a weight that is challenging, but not so heavy that you cannot complete the full range of motion for the exercise. Consult a doctor if necessary, and always take advice from a qualified trainer. Gradually increase the weight load as you become stronger. Focus on progressively increasing the weight load over time rather than on the number of repetitions you can perform. Number 2. Focus on compound exercises. When it comes to gaining muscle mass, compound exercises such as squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and overhead presses are the way to go. These exercises target multiple muscle groups at once, leading to increased muscle protein synthesis and overall muscle growth. That means that you will see much faster results by focusing on these exercises compared to isolation exercises that only target one muscle group at a time. So if you really want to maximize your gains, make sure to include plenty of compound exercises in your workout routine. 3. Get enough protein. Protein is essential for muscle growth and repair. It provides the raw materials needed to build and repair muscle tissue. So you must consume enough protein to meet your body's needs. A general rule of thumb is to aim for around 73 grams of protein per pound of body weight per day. Make sure to spread your protein intake throughout the day to maximize muscle protein synthesis. Include protein-rich foods such as chicken, fish, eggs, Greek yogurt, and lean beef in your diet. Number 4. Stay hydrated. Staying hydrated is crucial for muscle growth and overall health. Water is essential for transporting nutrients to your muscles, regulating body temperature, and removing waste products. Dehydration can lead to decreased performance, fatigue, and muscle cramps, which can hinder your progress in the gym. Aim to drink at least 8 cups of water per day and adjust your intake based on your activity level and climate. You may also want to consider using a water tracking app to help you stay on track. Number 5. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is essential for muscle growth and recovery. Sleep is when your body releases essential hormones that promote muscle growth and repair. It also allows your body to recover from the stress of exercise, which is necessary for continued progress. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night and establish a consistent sleep schedule. Develop a relaxing bedtime routine to help signal to your body that it's time for sleep. Number 6. Manage stress effectively. Chronic stress can lead to elevated cortisol levels, which can interfere with muscle growth and overall health. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as through exercise, meditation, or spending time in nature. Practice deep breathing exercises, yoga, or mindfulness meditation to calm your mind and reduce stress. Seek support from friends, family, or a therapist when needed. Number 7. Do not overtrain. Overtraining can lead to decreased performance, fatigue, and injuries, which can hinder muscle growth and overall progress. Allow your body adequate time to recover between workouts and use the training principles of progressive overload and periodization to optimize your results. Listen to your body and take rest days when needed. Incorporate active recovery into your routine, such as through light cardio or stretching. Number 8. Experiment with different training splits. There are various training splits, such as full body, upper-lower, and push-pull legs. Experiment with different splits to find what works best for you and your goals. Consider factors such as the number of muscle groups you train per session and the intensity of each workout. For example, if you are a beginner, a full-body split may be a good place to start. Number 9. Consider using supplements. While supplements are not necessary for muscle growth, they may be beneficial for some individuals. Consult a physician before taking supplements. Creatine, for example, can help increase strength and performance. Protein powder can be a convenient way to increase your protein intake. Other supplements such as pre-workout, BCAAs, and glutamine may also be helpful. However, it is important to note that supplements should complement a well-balanced diet and training plan, not replace them. Number 10. Be patient and consistent. Building muscle mass takes time and consistency. It is important to set realistic expectations and be patient with your progress. Celebrate your achievements along the way and use setbacks as opportunities to learn and improve. Remember that the key to success is consistency. Stick to your workout and nutrition plan, even when you do not see immediate results. Becoming strong and muscular is a transformative journey that requires dedication, hard work, and consistency. But with the right mindset and techniques, anyone can achieve remarkable results. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced gym goer, remember to focus on lifting heavy weights, doing compound exercises, getting enough protein, staying hydrated, getting enough sleep, managing stress, not overtraining, experimenting with different training splits, considering using supplements, and being patient and consistent. By following these tips, you will be on your way to unlocking your full potential and achieving your fitness goals. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. We would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.